How's your week? This morning, we got to bike around American Village. This place was so busy before March, but now, as you can see, it's so empty and quiet. But that means everyone can stay 6 feet apart. We got our favorite pork tamago onigiri to go and sit by the ocean to enjoy our breakfast. For dinner, we came to Pizza Stand New York. This is so huge! This is very exciting. This covers the whole chair, whole passenger seat. I always told James that if I can only pick one food for the rest of my life, the answer will be pizza. This is so huge and I love it. The wait is worth it. I'll end this video with surprise fireworks. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!